2.4 Problem 15 Discussion. Let's read the problem. The sum of first n terms of a certain series is given as 3n square minus 2n. Show that the series is an arithmetic series. Okay, so what is given? That is the Sn is given as 3n. Sn is given as 3n square minus 2n. Right, the sum of the first n terms of a certain series is given by 3n square minus 2n. They have given a generic equation itself. So if you put n equal to 1, you will get s1. If you put n equal to 2, you will get s2. That is sum of the two terms. If you put n equal to 3, that is s3, you will get sum of 3 terms. Okay. Now show that the series is an arithmetic progression or arithmetic series. That is what we need to show it as an AP. What is the condition to show that it is an AP? That d equal to t2 minus t1, that's equal to t3 minus t2. So you have to show the difference between the first two terms, that is t2 minus t1 and t3 minus t2 are same, and if they are same, then that becomes the common difference. And this is a formula which we have added, but see, when you put n equal to 1, you will get s1. When you put n equal to 2, you will get s2. But what is s2? s2 is the sum of first two terms. That is t1 plus t2. And this is t1. So s2 minus s1 will give you t2. Similarly, s3 minus s2 will give you t3. So all you need to do is put n equal to 3 in this equation, you will get s3. Put n equal to 2, you will get s2. And t3 is s3 minus s2. This is how the problem needs to be done. We'll explain it in detail when we're working it out. Okay. So substitute n equal to 1, 2, 3 and get s1, s2, s3. So calculate t1, t2, t3 using these formulas. Okay, t1 is, when you put s1, t2 is s2 minus s1 and t3 is s3 minus s2. So now check whether t1, t2, t3 form an AP using t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2. Check whether t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2. If they are equal, then it is an arithmetic progression with d as a common difference. Okay, so if you have understood it, please stop the video here and try to work this problem on your own and come back and check your working. If not, please look at the solution now. The solution. Sn is given as 3n square minus 2n. Let's put n equal to 1 because we have to find t1, t2, t3. Only when you find t1, t2, t3, we can find out whether it is an AP or not, right? So let's put n equal to 1, 2, 3 in this formula and get s1, s2, s3. So what is s1? s1 is 3n square, that is 3 into n equal to 1. So 3 1 square, n square, 3 into 1 square minus 2 into n, that is 2 into 1. So this becomes 3 minus 2, that's equal to 1. S2 is putting n equal to 2. So it will become 3 into n square, that is 3 into 2 square minus 2 into n, that is 2 into 2. So that will be equal to 2 squares are 4, 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4. So it's 12 minus 4, that's equal to 8. S3 is 3 into n square, that is 3 square, n equal to 3. So 3 is 3 into 3 square minus 2 into n, that is 2 into 3. So this is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 minus 3 2s are 6, that is 21. So S1 is 1, S2 is 8, S3 is 21. Right? As I told you in the first, T1 is nothing but S1. The sum up to one term is nothing but there is only one term, so that is T1. S2 is what? S2 is T1 plus T2, sum of the first two terms. And what is S1? The first term alone. So the difference between these two will be T2. Similarly, T3 will be S3 minus S2, which I am showing it here. So what is S2? S2 is T1 plus T2. What is S3? T1, first three terms, that is T1, T2, T3. Now what is S3 minus S2? That is T1 plus T2 plus T3, T1 plus T2 plus T3 minus S2, which is T1 plus T2. Okay, this and this I'm bringing it here. So when you open bracket, what will happen? This T1 and T1 cancels, T2 and T2 cancels. Finally, you will be left with T3. So S3 minus S2 is T3. And S2 minus S1 will be T1. S4 minus S3 will be T4. Whatever is the number here, that will be the term number. Okay. So now you calculate T1 is S1, so 1. T2 is S2 minus S1, that is 8 minus 1. T3 is S3 minus S2, that is 21 minus 8. Got it? So that is 13. So now the series is 1, T2 is 7, and T3 is 13. So 1, 7 and 13. So what is T2 minus T1? 7 minus 1, 6. What is T3 minus T2? That is 13 minus 7, 6. It is 6 in both the cases. So it is an AP. So the arithmetic series is 1, 7 and 13. Right? So that's the series where the sum is given by this formula is an arithmetic series, and this is the arithmetic series. You got it? So the key here is this part, that is S1 is the S1 is T1, S2 T2 is S2 minus S1, T3 is S3 minus S2. How? I am explained it here by taking an example of for S3 minus S2. So if you know this bit, then everything is simple. So if you want T4, what will be T4? S4 minus S3. Okay, same 3 and 3 will be same, and then 1 minus 1 number less. So T4 means S4, 1 less than that S3. Okay, this is how it needs to be done. So first step will be using the formula, calculate S1, S2, S3, then find the differences. Okay, S2 minus S1, S3 minus S2, that will give you the into, or this way also you can do. So S1 is A, S2 minus S1 is T2, S3 minus S2 is T3, right? So this is T1, this minus this is T2, this minus this is T3. Find those T1, T2, T3. Once you have T1, T2, T3, check for the condition T2 minus T1, whether it is equal to T3 minus T2. If it is equal, then it is an arithmetic series. Okay, I hope I made it clear. If not, please relook at it one more time. Okay, thanks for watching this video.